Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. But because we are in the middle of Glamoween, I am posting every Monday and Friday. If you guys can't already tell, we are doing the Corpse Bride. It came out so good. I am so proud of it. It took me 7.5 hours to complete this look. Yeah, let that sink in. If you guys want to know how I got this look and the process of it, then go ahead and keep watching my video. Alright guys, covered up my brows. You already know the deal. I have a feeling that this is gonna be a long one.
How did you know?
Almost there. I don't know. We are gonna create the outline right now. I don't have a wig for this one. We're gonna figure it out and we're gonna use the colors to paint our hair. So that's why I feel like it's gonna be a long one. It's a really long neck though. Okay, we got most of the outline. I'm gonna just do the face and mouth, I guess. This is what we have to look, okay? We're gonna fill in the eyes of white right here. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Like that. Now we are in the part where we're gonna start adding some blue. I need to have the right blue. I have the blue. We are just gonna mix it and see what comes out of it. Perfect. But that's not enough for my whole body. We'll work with this for now and then we'll recreate it. Or should I just make a shit ton? I think I'm gonna make a shit ton. So we're just gonna blend out the blue. I think this blue is a little bit bright, too like dark. Yeah, because now I'm giving Smurf. Damn it. So this is giving very much Smurf. Maybe we can set it with a white. It's not gonna tone down. I'm gonna set it. I'm using like this light blue. Hopefully. It might be too blue. I don't want to start over though. I don't like it. It's too blue. Huh? I had to make Damien breakfast and I had to eat too. So we're back in the game. We are now going to be filling in the nose. We're gonna grab this and start kind of blending in the nose contour. I think it's pretty good. We are just going to keep contouring. I'm using like a blue purplish color. But we're gonna just go around the eyes and our chin and one side of the cheek. Now I really look like a minion. I don't know why. It's giving different type minion, like a blue version. I don't know. Trust the process though. We're gonna try to finish the eyes. We need to officially set my eyes. Thinking it might be lower. We're gonna go in with a dark blue. So I guess now we're creating like her lid. I think it's all coming together, even though I feel like the blue or the skin, this part, I'm like, it's a bone, is it skin? I feel like it's kind of off. I feel like it'll be okay. We are gonna grab, again, the blue purple and kind of blend it out like as if she's crying. Now we're gonna repeat it on this side, and then we're gonna go in. I think we're gonna add some black in the middle. We'll see. It's coming together. But we are gonna go with the black now. We are just gonna focus it on putting it right here. Okay, we are getting somewhere. We're just gonna contour, put some black in here real quick, and blend that out. Now we're just gonna create her lips. There's already like this rosy pink here. Then we're gonna grab a light pink and set the lipstick. Or maybe we should grab some of the white to make this a bit lighter. I'm so excited. We need to draw in the eyebrow again. This time we are gonna use a dark blue because the outline that I drew is officially gone. We're just gonna kind of wing it. There's one, and then we clean it up with white. There's one eyebrow. We are getting there. We are getting there. Now we are going to officially outline our eyes with black. We're going to outline the bottom and add some lashes. So far it hasn't been too bad of a transition. I think I started at like 6 something. It is 10:43 in the morning. I think I would have been done already if my toddler was somewhere else. Yeah, it's too many pauses. Breakfast, snack time just came around. I'm gonna take another pause in a little bit at noon for lunchtime. I feel like I'm almost done. Now I'm gonna add some lashes. Okay, added the bottom lashes. And now we are going to do the top part of the eye. See where I'm going? You see where I'm going? We're adding little tiny lashes in here. I feel like you can't really see them because of the dark blue. We're gonna complete this shoulder. We're gonna create the dress. So far I think it's coming out very, very good. There you go, that's what I needed. Filled everything with white. Now I'm gonna go in back with that blue and I'm gonna just blend this out over here. So we're gonna go on with the black and now we're gonna create those zigzag lines for the dress to give it some detail. Literally it has to be just messy. It does not matter. We're gonna actually like add in from my palette just to give it more detail. We already got the shadow going on. Depending on how it looks at the end, this might just top Queen of Hearts. I don't know. You guys can let me know down below what you guys think. If this beat Queen of Hearts or is Queen of Hearts still top tier. I'm gonna go back into with the collarbone and like kind of just recreate that. God, I'm never gonna finish. Okay, let's hurry it up. Okay, okay. I didn't know I was such an artist. So we got that down. Then we're gonna just blend it out. We have to figure out what to do with this black right here because it's getting all over my eyelid. So we're gonna redo the white and then set it. Now we're gonna draw her pupils. Shouldn't be too hard. I need to take a picture. I don't even know how it looks. Almost there. We are almost there. We are going to grab a sparkly eyeshadow and decorate our dress. Almost there. Almost there. We are going to outline our face real quick. So I think we should add some of the pearls. I'm just gonna rip these off. Stick them on there. That's cute, right? The beads kept falling off, but now we are officially going to start filling everything in. We got most of this down. Add some black in here. So Damien needs to go take his nap. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this in time, but so far this is what it's coming out to. Now I just need to set it with a black eyeshadow and I think we will be close to done. I want to try to do my hair before I do my skeleton hand. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. This is the longest I've ever done my makeup. This is definitely the one that took the longest, but I feel like I'm gonna be so proud of. I DIY'd my headband yesterday, literally yesterday. It came out super cute and I feel like it's gonna go with this whole look. Oh my god! I just see myself in the camera and I'm like, I really transformed into her. I might call people today because it's the middle of the day. People are getting off work or they're on their lunch. Now I gotta do my freaking hair, which is gonna be disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I need to put color in it. This is her hair. Gonna be like this. Should have just colored this in. I can do it right now. I'm doing this now because people usually wear the wig. I don't have a wig. So we are just gonna paint our hair. We are going to just do the front of our hair. We are going to grab this blue right here, right? We'll see. Does that even go through? Not really. What if I put a light blue on because it's not showing up? Oh, that's better. Okay, see? Here we are. This is disgusting. So very, 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 very disgusting. I think we're just gonna leave it like that. Now we just need to create the hand. This part's kind of easy. I'm gonna finish the hand off camera and then I'll be back. Oh my god. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It came out so good. This is definitely gonna be #1 rating. Out of all of these, it'll be this one, then Queen of Hearts, then the other Queen of Hearts, and the rest will go on and on and on. It took me, I don't know, I started at 6 o'clock in the morning. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7.5 hours to do this look. Oh my god. It came out so good. I'm so happy and proud of this look right here. I am finally going to take this off after 7.5 hours. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique. And I will be back with more videos.